Hey, I introduce salute to the welcome for football and Pidgin. After match talk am how you see am. I beg if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Manchester United 0 and Southampton 0, and we get Oga Godwin wey be like say na ogbonge man fan make come tell us about how he see this game. Oga Godwin, normally every time when you dey come this interview, you dey come with ginger, you dey come with smile, but today as na draw soup una play, your smile no too big. So how you see your team performance today?
Well, I no go say they no perform well. Any person talk and any Man U fan wey say Man U no perform well today, na greedy Man U fan. They try their best. Wetin I dey still tell my Man U fan be say, as long as say we dey home, we still dey keep to our record. Say since we come back from World Cup, we never get one match say dem beat us for our home. We try. I give them that record. Say make dem still keep it up.
So to you, that red card to Casemiro na pure red card or mistake dey? Things na right decision the ref make.
Well, for me, I go say na mistake dey, but as long as the ref don take that decision say na red card, we need to take am like that say na red card. Understand? Because everybody get the way they take judge their red card. So the way the ref take judge am, we no get anything to say. But I still thank God.
So for inside this match we watch, it get some incidents wey happen when Man U players for the field dey shout penalty. Man U fans for this viewing center dey shout penalty. You think say Man U suppose get penalty for this match?
Well, for me, even me say I been even dey shout am to say penalty. But since when they introduce VAR to football, things don change. Once VAR don decide say no be penalty, we wey be fans we go only dey murmur, we no fit do anything.
But wetin you see for your eye? How you see am?
But for me, even till now, say I still dey say they do Man U something for their own. They suppose give us one penalty. But in England we gamble. Maybe they don gamble and say na draw keep. So they don keep as say na draw. We have nothing to do na to keep that draw. So na make you see say many of the penalty games they no gree. They just deny Man U all those rights. Say make them collect one pick out of all. No give anyone.
So how you dey see the title race with this result now? Because yesterday Man City win, today Arsenal play the same time with Manchester United, so Arsenal don't win. How you dey see the title race with this result when Man U get? Because Man U don't drop points. You think say Man U still there for the race?
Well, for me, before I been dey say make Arsenal watch their back, normal. But when I come cool down, come check the games dem wey Man U get. Omo, we be human being o, we no be hogs or robots. We dey play back to back matches with straight winning. We no go just wan win all the cup, another team must collect the cup. So with the point now wey Arsenal dey use gap us, na Arsenal or Man City I leave am for them. Make dem just come collect this one. Maybe next season we go hide that one. I don leave am for them. Make dem carry am. Yes, so bros. Let's say I leave am.
So more talk about Europa League now. Man U go play Real Betis for the second leg. Man U don't win the first leg for home. How you dey see that game for midweek?
Based on their last performance, I know say Real Betis go wan improve when they meet for their home. You understand? They go wan do because na Spain football no dey like England football. So wetin Man U show them for England, they show them that England performance. Say we no dey for all those touching too much. Wetin just dey find na the goals. Say na goals they count. So when we wan go back Spain like this now, I know say the match go tough for Man U. But I still dey give that kudos to Man U. Say Man U must get goals for their home.
So what will be your prediction scoreline?
My prediction, since they come our home, come get that one goal, willingly, na 2-0 go end.
2-0.
Inshallah, by Man U, 2-0 match. This time around, nothing like go. Anybody dey cry and go, they go cut the ticket. Na just 2-0 match go end.
All right, now, God, Godwin, thank you for your time.